political parties are still gathered here. Let me quickly go to COPE's Mosiuoa Lekota. Ntate Lekota, thank you very much indeed for your time. Thank you very much. Ntate Lekota, I think let's start with, after this election, you've decided to put your tools down, I guess. I mean, what would you say your legacy has been for COPE?
Well, first of all, I have given my energies to the Congress of the People so that we could place before the people of our country a leadership and membership that could be trusted with public resources, never ever allowing for abuse of such resources. It was important for this to be so because we needed our people to understand that every time they pay tax, that tax is their money. It's calculated that it must be used by the government or those people who have been put in government to provide for them for all the things they need. The education of the children, the health services, everything, literally everything that the people needed. And I think we have performed that outstandingly because nobody can find anywhere that the Congress of the People abused public funds and abused that which had been entrusted to us. I think it is important because it teaches the people that when they elect men and women they trust, that those men and women who are so elected must remember that they owe their full loyalty to those who have elected them.
All right, Ntate Lekota, I'm afraid we've run out of time, but those numbers for COPE have been dwindling in terms of support. There's also been infighting within your political party. As you leave, what is the future for COPE?
The Congress of the People has got men and women who never abused the public resources, and therefore it is important to understand that it's because they understood that they owe it to the people to be trustworthy. And as far as I'm concerned, there's no greater service than to be trustworthy when the people have placed you in a position of trust.
Ntate Mosiuoa Lekota, thank you very much indeed for speaking to us. You would know, of course, that COPE's Mosiuoa Lekota, this would be the last time that it is at the helm of the Congress of the People. And you'd know that over the years, its support base has really dwindled. It's also been plagued by a number of infighting battles. Also, what we've seen is that himself has also been a veteran inside, the governing party, and as a result, he says he believes he leaves behind a legacy and people who would be able to carry his political party forward, and perhaps even swell the numbers in terms of the support base. Certainly remains to be seen what happens for COPE next.